Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last few video I will show you how to work homework. In this video I will show you how to make a fees collection, because in this video we can starting about the student fees collection. I will see lots of requirement about the fees collection, so in this video we can continue fees collection. So fees collection work in two types. One is a class wise work and also is a work like a specific student wise. Suppose this is the student you are registered, so you need to add up for this student what is the amount. But I think it's not good way, because this student is a change the class. So I think I can go like a class wise. So do you want to go like a student wise? So you can go student wise, but I am working as a class wise. Suppose this is the part time, okay? So this part time class attendance I will add like a one amount like a $2,000, like $200. So this is the $200. After I create a new menu, and you can search the like class wise student, so student and student id wise also search, and student name wise also you can search the student. After you can search the students, and after here you can see the student list, and student list inside you can see it like one is the amount here, and what is the collected amount means a collection amount, what is the amount collected. And after is another button there like a paid, so you click on the like a collect fee buttons, otherwise paid button, whatever button we can write, you click on this button. So it's going to open the one report what student paid for right now, means before what paid, now what he paid. So like this works. So I will explain one by one. This is the video is going to big, and also I will divide like a step by step. So let's first add like a class wise payment. So suppose ss2, so what is the amount, part time what is the amount, ss2 what is the amount, and ss1 what is the amount. Because we are creating lots of classes, suppose 1 year completed, after student going to another class like ss2, because it's like primary, after going to secondary, so you can change the secondary. So whatever amount you did inside a class wise, so automatic accept for this student like this amount, after he need to pay like this amounts. Okay, so let's show you one by one how we can do it. So let's follow this video. So we can edit and add time, we can add a new column like amounts, and I already opened my database. So just you need to go to schools.com database, inside need to go class tables, and class table inside we need to add a new column like amount. So just wait, structures, and I can add a like another column amount. And also I will use integer. So do you want to use a float value, so you can use it, but I like it integer value, so I always use the integer value, and by default as defined is equal to 0 amount. So is a column is created successfully. Okay, amounts. So add time, edit time we can add. So it's very simple jobs, we can do it quickly. So just close everything, I don't want to need now. This is the leave it, because we need to create a like this menu, fees collection and collect fees. So we can search here our students. So just go to admin, inside we need to go to class, inside you can see it like add, edit and list. So just go to add inside, and I just go down and just copy this class name one and put bottom. Here you can type like a amount, and also you can add like a amount, and here also you can do it amount, and here we can change like a numbers. So let's go back again, refresh the page. So let's click on the add new, so you can see it new column there. Also here I did number, this reason showing the numbers. Okay, now I can go, this is the whatever sign do you want to use in your project, so you can use it. I will use here dollar sign, because I like to pay like dollars. Okay, so I am using the amount inside dollar. So do you want to use like other sign, your currency, so you can use your currency. Okay, and it is a required. So let's go to like app, inside http, inside controller, inside class controller. So do you want to follow this series, so you can easily understand. Here just you need to add like a two column amount, just copy first one, paste here, and after you can change like here amount, because we have already done inside a database column name, you can see it here. Same thing you can copy and you can paste inside a update, and just go to add code, you can copy and go to edit files and just put here. Okay, so here is work, and also value whatever database we have add, so this is the value we need to put here. So just you can do here like a value. Here we can pass like a amount. Okay, so and also you go to list one, so just you can create a new th like a amount, and here also we can use it like a same like amount. Okay, I save now. I just go back again, refresh the page. So I will add another class now, ss3. Okay, and his amount like 200. I click on the submit, so you can see it like a 200 there for ss3. Let's add it, and I will add all the amount every class. So I can add for this class like 300, and also I will add for this class part time as a like 150 because it's a part time. Whatever do you want to like, you can do it. I just like it simple amount, this reason 300, and ss1 is a 500. Okay, whatever, let's make a number format so look like better, and we can add a like dollar sign here, so look like is better. Just we can add dollar, and here you can do is a number format. And save these files. I just go and refresh the page, so look like better 200, 300, 150, 300 and 500. Okay, so is a class inside we are done about the add amounts. So this is the class we have already assigned for the students, you know me know. Okay, you can see it, suppose part time. So what is the amount for this student, like a $200, so we can show it here $200, but we don't want to show because we know about okay part time. So we can go inside class and we can check, okay, this is the amount like $200. So let's create a new menu here like a fees collection, and fees collection inside we can do is like collect fees. After we can do like reports, lots of things we can do step by step. So let's create a first menu like a fees collection. So just go to layouts. Inside need to go app, and inside we need to go not a app, just go to header.blade.php. Just go down, and here is the menu there, academies. After we can add a new menu, okay, fees collection. So just copy about the any small menu. Let's copy attendance because it's a small menu, this reason, and you can put here, and we can change the title like a fees collection, attendance to fees collection, and here we can make another menu like a collect fee. Okay, I can remove, I don't want to need, and we can change this all the URL. So here I can do like a admin fees collection is our main menu because we need to open the always class, so we can put here, okay, segment 2, and now is another segment like a collect fee. So here I can make it like our collect fees, and also I can change here student to collect fees. So everything is good now. Just go back and refresh the page, so see how it looks. Show, so you can see it inside because it's a class open, this reason I just minus, so you can see it like a fees collection. You can see fees collection inside we have created new menu collect fees. So this is the URL not there, so let's create for this URL now, and we need to create another control like fees collection models means controller. So just go to schools.com your project and open your terminal, and we need to create a new controller, fees collection controller. So just copy, and I can put here, I just copy, and I can make like PHP artisan make controller fees collection. Let's make some zoom so you can easily understand. Okay, and I just put here fees collection controller. So taking few seconds because the first time work, these reasons. After not taking time, let's make it proper. Okay, I think it's created. I just make it like a minimize, it's done. You can see it like PHP artisan make control fees collection. Okay, so controller successfully created. Also you can see it here, fees collection. So everything is good now. So just go to Now we can close everything. We don't want to need class one, so just closing, and we don't want to need this one, so also we can closing. So clean code, so we can understand easily. So let's create a new routes. Inside routes, inside we need to go to web.php, and inside we need to go last one for the here like admin. Okay, this is the admin routes. So just copy above routes, and you can put here, and you can change here like a fees collection. Okay, and also we need to change here like our controller name. So our controller name is a fees collection controller. Also we can change to, means we need to declare here for this controller, so you can declare here. So everything is good, and also we need to create a new function inside a fees collection controller. So just go to inside, and we can create a new function, static, not static, function fees collection collect fee, and here I can back to view file. So let's open any other controller, and just we can use it like I think using class controller. Just copy and paste here. Also we need to use like class model, and also we need to use auth. So just copy and paste here. So we can use authentication and also class controller, and just we can change here, like change the title like collect fees, and also we can create a new menu, means is a new folder fees collection, and inside we need to create a new file collect fee.blade.php. Okay, so just go to admin. Inside we need to create a new folder, otherwise new directory, whatever you can think, means whatever do you want to like, and just we need to create a like fees collect fee.blade.php. Okay, so let's go to back again, and we can check work not work. So it's 100% work. Here is showing the blank page. So let's go to class and copy the only list. Just I copy, and I can paste here inside a collect fees. Okay, because I have already copied his code, this reason here working. So let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it is showing same like a class list, but we don't want to use his list. Just we need to use his like a filtering. We don't want to use this one. Here we can show the student list, and here we can add a like a collect button, collect fees. Okay, so let's now do, and here we can do like a class name, student name. I can show you step by step. First we can make a filtering. So here we can change like a collect fees, and we don't want to need a add button, so just go up, and we need to remove the add button, and you can change here like 6 to 12, and here you can change like collect fees, search collect fees student. Let's go up and copy and paste bottom, and here we can make like class, because class drop down we need. Also we don't want to need a date, and also we need a reset button. So just we can change here our reset button, and also we need like some other one like a searching like student first name, student last name, and student id. Student first name, this is the filter we need, so we know okay which student need, because we don't want to show like all the students. Once is a filter wise, you can see it like a bottom students. Okay, so the student last name, and also we can change here like a first name, sorry, first name. Also you can change like a first name, and here you can make like a student first name placeholder, and here you can change like last name, because we need to know autofill. This reason I just put like this, student last name. Also we can put here student last name. Okay, and we can provide like a student id. So suppose he need to search the id wise, so he can search using the id wise, this reason id. So here I can put like a student id. Also we can change name, and also we can change like a placeholder. Okay, so everything is good. Let's go back again, refresh the page. So let's see, look how it looks. 6 6 12, I think it's going to down 100%, but we can make it small now. So we can do like this is the 2, Student ID is a small 100%, this is the 2, and also we can make it also this is the 2. Let's go back again, search again, so how it looks show again. So we need to make it again like a class name also 2, because the class is a drop down. So just we can remove, select class form control, name is equal to class ID, and here we can make like option value is equal to blank, and here I can type like select class. So let's go to back again, refresh the page. So you can see it like a class drop down, also here is a reset button, also work very well, so no issue now. Okay, and this is the list we need to show is a student list, so we can change here class list to student list, and here I can make like let's first get the records, after we can make a query. We don't want to need here pagination, we can leave it pagination. Let's remove the right now, because right now we are not there, and everything is good now. So just go up, go to the collection, and just go to class model. Class model inside we need to use, this is the function get class. Okay, and a class model inside we have, there is a one function get class we ever did before. So do you want to follow this series, so you can easily, is a simple, we are getting about the class list here. Okay, nothing any else, nothing any else means. Okay, so we are getting the class detail here. I save these files, and also I get here I can change like a get record to get class. I save now, and I can go to collect fees, and I can make here for each loop as a dollar class, and for each, and just copy and paste bottom. After you can add like a name and ID. ID, and here I can put name. Okay, so everything is clear now, and just go back again, refresh the page, because the class table inside you can see it like name and ID. So just go back again, refresh the page. So here you can see it like part-time SS2 SS3, you can search. So auto selection not there, let's make an auto selection for the class, like student ID I have done. So you can see it like student ID, student first name, student last name, this is the done. So only class is remaining, so let's make now. And also reset already done, so reset works. So just using the SS1 is not working, so just we can use like this, just copy this line. It's very simple, I already explained multiple times, so you can easily do it. I know about that. Class name, class ID, and dollar class ID. So just you can pass here like a selected, I think spelling mistake, selected. Okay, everything is good. Let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it like SS1. Suppose I go to SS2 and I can search, so you can see it like SS2. So it's autofill, automatic work, because here is the ID there, these reasons. So now we need to get the bottom about the student data. Suppose I can search anything, suppose record found, so we need to show, other we need to show record not found. So here we can show it record not found. Okay, so here I can go and we can make like a request, dollar request, and here I can make if is not empty, request all, so going to inside, otherwise no need to go inside. Let's make a dive, and I refresh the page, so it's going to inside because he is getting something, and I just removing, so he is not getting anything, this isn't going to list. So suppose he is getting something, so it's going to inside, and after we need to make a here query for the get the student. So just we can copy, and just we can use like a get model. Inside I have made app model users, so you can see it here, another models users model we have declare. So I can just make it like dollar data get records, and here I can make get fees collect fee students, get collect fees student, whatever do you want to, like you can use it your name. I just use like a get collect fees students. Okay, so let's go to inside users model, and here we can see it like get students is menu there, 100% is there. Okay, so just copy this one and put here, otherwise you can put here whatever do you want to like, just copy and paste here, and just change here like a get collect fee students. Okay, here is a we need a class name. Also we need to add a like a, let's remove the first like all thing about the query so I can explain very well. Okay, student type is equal to 3 is not deleted. Also we don't want to need a like left query about the class, because also we need to know about his class id, and also we need a parent's name. We don't want to need his parent's name, so just remove the parent name right now. So I remove a parent name, and user type is equal to 3 is not deleted, and id is equal to descending order. So descending order, whatever do you want to like, you can make it. So you know, I think we can do it like name wise, so it's look like better ascending order. Okay, and pagination I think we can make like a 50. So everything is good now. Here I can get the data, and self means the above class name, this is the users. Okay, so just go down, and here we need to make like our filtering. So what is the filtering? Dollar request, we can use like request. Let's make a first request all, and let's dd, and I just go and I can search like part time. I click on the search, so I'm not getting anything because they're dying there. Request all not works, so let's pass here like a dollar request one parameter. Okay, no need anything, just we can use it like a if is not empty request get class id. Okay, is not empty class id, so it's going to inside, and we need to make another query here, same like we can do it here like a name wise, last name wise, gender wise. Okay, let's copy gender one and you can paste here. So just you can put class id to class id. So just I get a data about the only for his class data, means this is the class against whatever student there, we can show it. Okay, so let's go to save these files and just go. So it's working very well, no issue. So let's use the get record variable and go to fees collection, and just go down. Here I can change like a student name, and here is a student id. Here is a class name also we can put, and we don't want to need other things, we can remove it like created date, we can leave it so we know which time is a student is a created. Okay, so an action we need. So if is not empty, please carefully watch. Okay, why I'm using this is not empty, otherwise generate the error, because the get record is there inside a condition against. You can see it here, you can see it is a condition against. Sometimes a get record variable not found, so I'm using like is not empty else and if. Okay, so here I can make like tr td call span 100px, and here I can make a record not found. And also we can use here like a for each loop, for each get record has a dollar value, for else we can use a for else, and here I can use empty, and here I can do and for each and for else. Okay, and so same thing we can copy and paste here empty, and here I can do like tr, inside I create a td and just put inside a id. Okay, let's save and just go back again and refresh the page. So you can see it, only one student is matching for the part time. Let's go to ss1. So 3 students is matching, so let's add his name. So just copy and paste everything like and put here like last name, name, and we can put is another column, means copy and same thing and just put here like last name. Okay, I save these files and just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like last name there, class name we can put. So we already get here like get record fees collection inside go, and here we can put like a class name, copy the class name, and we need to put here amount. So we can go and we need to create a duplicate here, same like this, and just you can push like a put amount, so you can get it amount for each class. So is amount. After we need a like a created dates, class name. Okay, we have put a wrong way, sorry about that, sometime I forget. Just you can create a new td, and here I can put class name. Also we can put here last name, class name, last name, and amount is done. Now created date, so created at, so we can use date format, date, month, and y, whatever do you want to, like you can use your place, because I like it like this, str2 time, str2 time. Okay, and here I can use like our action, last one is the action there, so we can show is the action. So let's go, and here the amount is working like calculation wise, but right now I am showing the amount. Suppose here's the amount he pay like $100, so we need to show like $100. So total amount is like 200, and after is a paid amount, so let's make it here like another column like a total amount, and we can do is another one is a like a paid amount, so we know. Okay, a paid amount column right now is a 0 because we have not did any coding for is a paid amount. So just I add a column, and also I can use here number format. I hope you can understand what I say. And here's the dates, and here is the td is a 0. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page. So is the paid amount 0. So let's make it like proper way, so look like better, dollar 0.0. Okay, so just go and back, so you can see it like total amount and paid amount. So now we need to create a new menu here like a collect fees, and also we need to make like a search about student id wise and student name wise, student first name, last name. So let's sort out first this one, after we can create a collect fees buttons. So let's go to users tables, and you can add like here id 10, I can search here. So student id again, so we need to search. So just go back about the users, and you just copy like class 1, you can paste here student id, and here you can put like a student id, and here you can use like id, not student id, sorry about that. And same thing we can do is like first name and last name. So just go up and just copy this one, and you can put here. So first name and last name wise also work. So just go to and just first name, so is a first name here, and also we can do last name already there, so no issue. Okay, so is the filtering also done. Just go back again, refresh the page. So only showing the one because we had like 10. Suppose I can remove and I can search, so showing the all. Suppose I can search like, okay, last name is a 3 because student 3, I just search, so you can see it only 3, you see. I think I can search like a student, here I can search like a student, just showing the all the data like a part-time, ss1, ss2, and part-time. Also he's showing these fees, paid amount not there, this reason is not there here. Okay, because we have not did any code about paid amount, because we need to put here like collect fees one buttons, after he can add a fees for this admin, and after automatic show what is the paid amount and what is the remaining amount. I can add another column remaining amounts, don't worry, but right now is not working calculation, this reason I have not did. Okay, so let's add a here pagination, because we are already doing the pagination. So just go to collect fees and go to any file about the listing. Let's go to class list and just go down and copy this line, and you can change here. But first of all you can put this one, so you just put like a condition, because this variable sometime not found. Let's show you the error so you can easily understand. So I make it reset, so you can see it like a one error there, get record not found. So you can see it taking time is 100% there the errors. So you can say it like a undefined variable get records. So just we can put like is not empty, and you can put like a and if. So this is the error you can't found because we have made a conditions. Okay, and you can search. So working very well. Suppose you can search like ss1 again. So you can see it here 3, and let's go to back to list, user list, and I can put here like 1, and I can save. I just search again. So you can see it here pagination, you can see it, and also filtering also work with, you can see it right now. Okay, because 3 records there, the 3 times is a pagination there here. So let's go back again, whatever there before I can put here. You can see it now working very well, so no issue. Okay, I hope do you want to understand. I hope do you want to understand. Let's make a now collect fees button. So let's go to back again, and here I can do like a sref collect fees, and here I can put like a class btn success, and I just refresh the page. So you can see it like another button collect fees. Oh sorry, I will not save, and I just not refresh the page proper way, and I can search like class. So you can see it collect fees. Okay, so everything is clear. For this video I think enough. We can do the next video about the collect fees. So in this video I have explained how to add an amount inside a class, also how to make a filtering wise how to get the data, and everything is clear. So do you want to not understand, so please comment out, and do you want to understand everything, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel, and please share this link to other guy so he can learn something. So it's good for him and good for you. So suppose you are helping someone. Okay, I understand like this is I told you, and I hope do you want to like. Thank you for watching.